And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you object methods. So this is also possible. You can store them as property values. And let me show you how it's done. As I've just mentioned, this can be used just like property. So if we print out, for example, the user.team, the team is the property, and we'll get the value, which are the Lakers. So let us define a full name property, full name colon. And now we want to add a function here. So we would access this the same way, user.fullname. Then we add the keyword function, regular brackets, then curly brackets. And this is now the value of the property, the key full name. Let us simply define a return of this dot first name. So it's going to access the property of first name here, plus this dot last name. So this should give us LeBron and then James. Don't forget the semicolon here. And there's only one small detail that we have to change, because if you access it like this with user.fullname, it's going to look for a simple value for this property of full name. And as it's a function, it can use arguments, and therefore we'll have to add regular brackets after full name, which indicates that we're dealing with a function. And now there you go, we have LeBron James. But let us add a spacing in between the two names. So I add quotation marks, white space quotation marks, and then plus, and this is what we want. So once again, when you're dealing with this, you have to add regular brackets when you call it, because it's a function. And when you don't do that, you just get the simple value like we do here with age. But in principle, it's the same thing. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.